Be ready? Start. Madam Speaker, we are aware that we need to do more for our people. Stop. Continuing with the task of fulfilling the people's expectations, our agenda for the next year is transform, energize, and clean India, that is TEC India. Stop. This agenda of TEC India seeks to transform the quality of governance and quality of life of our people, energize various sections of society, especially the youth and the vulnerable, and enable them to unleash their true potential and clean the country from the evils of corruption, black money, and non-transparent political funding. Stop. I propose to present my budget proposals under 10 distinct themes to foster this broad agenda. Stop. The themes are farmers, rural population, youth, poor, and the underprivileged, infrastructure, financial sector, digital economy, public service, prudent fiscal management, and tax administration. Stop. The Indian farmer has once again shown his commitment and resilience in the current year. Stop. The total area sown under Kharif and Rabi seasons are higher than the previous year. Stop. With a better monsoon, agriculture is expected to grow at 4.1% in the current year. Stop. In the last year's budget speech, I focused on income security of farmers to double their income in 5 years. Stop. I had also announced a number of measures. Stop. We have to take more steps and enable the farmers to increase their production and productivity and to deal with post-harvest challenges. For a good crop, adequate credit should be available to farmers in time. Stop. The target for agricultural credit in 2017-18 has been fixed at a record level of rupees 10 lakh crores. Stop. We will take special efforts to ensure adequate flow of credit to the underserviced areas, the eastern states and Jammu and Kashmir. Stop. The farmers will also benefit from 60 days interest waiver announced by Honorable Prime Minister in respect of their loans from the cooperative credit structure. Stop. About 40% of the small and marginal farmers avail credit from the cooperative structure. Stop. The primary agriculture credit societies act as the front end for loan disbursements. Stop. We will support NABARD for computerization and integration of all 63,000 functional PACs with the core banking system of district central cooperative banks. Stop. This will be done in 3 years at an estimated cost of rupees 1900 crores with financial participation from state governments. Stop. This will ensure seamless flow of credit. Stop.